Kasi may nabalitaan ako kung bakit ka napunta sa Amerika. Ang tigas daw ng ulo niya. Sa school, parati napi-principal's office. Bakit?
Feeling ko sobrang hyper po kasi ako nung bata ako.
Really?
Lagi, yung upuan ko laging nakadikit sa table ng teacher. Kasi I would have these random urges na kailangan kong tumayo, tapos guguluhin ko yung mga classmates ko. Pero ngayon, ibang-iba na ako. Mas kalma na tayo ngayon.
Kita naman, may pag-asa pa pala yung anak kong si Pepe. So, pagka sinasabi mo yan, talaga.
Ganun po talaga. Since I was super hyper.
Alam mo, sabi nila, kapag ang bata ganyan, malikot, restless, ibig sabihin, matalino and talented.
Wow.
O yun ang gusto kong isipin, kasi ganun din yung Pepe ko eh. So, may pag-asa pa pala talaga. So, at what point did your parents say, o sige na, mag-Amerika na tayo?
Bale po, I mean, for me, there were times na when I was in school, ina-ask ng mga teacher ko na dali mo yung papa mo dito, or kung may issue kay papa, they would ask me questions. Tapos meron din mga times na sabi nila, kung hindi mo dalhin, baka hindi ka naman talaga anak ni Piolo. So it was kind of like a harassment to me already. Na why am I going through this? Ba't ko pinagdadaanan yun? And I was in first, second, third grade. So yung magulang ko sabi nila, you know, I think it's better if you study in the States para mas normal yung childhood mo. And hindi rin naman ako na announced publicly na you know, that my dad has a son when I was a kid. So my parents wanted to give me a normal childhood, yung walang issue, walang nagtatanong sa akin kung asan tatay mo.
Oo, ganun pala. So parang bullying, no? And harassment.
Yeah, yes.
Even from the teachers.
The teachers themselves.
Oh, nire-require nila na kailangan, dali mo dito si Piolo. So si Piolo kasi noon, sikat na.
Opo.
Kasi bata rin si Piolo nag-start, right?
Yes.
How old was he when he started?
He was 17 on his first project. 17 po ata. Tapos moved to the States for a year, then he came back.
Oo. So kilala na siya at parating, hindi sila naniniwala na ikaw yung anak.
Opo. Pag hindi ko dinala si Papa, sasabihin nila, baka hindi ka naman totoong anak ni Piolo. So parang kailangan nila ng proof or gusto lang nila siguro dalhin ko yung tatay ko sa mga school events.
Oh, pinagbigyan ka rin?
My dad would always. And that's something that I'm grateful for. Pati yung mga Boy Scout events ko, pinupuntahan ni Papa. Even when I was in the States, kahit yung mga plays ko, mga musical, he would fly into the States for one day. The same night after my play is done, balik siyang Pilipinas.
Galing naman.